Breaking news coming in a sensational application that key accused Swapna Suresh has filed in court. She has alleged that there is threat to her life while in judicial custody and has demanded protection. She has in fact gone on to mention in her plea that a few officials came to her telling her that they are capable of causing harm to her and that she should not cooperate in this gold smuggling racket investigation. Let's go across to my colleague Ashwin, who's tracking more on this. Ashwin.
Big breaking information which Swapna has revealed. What it says is what the public and the opposition leaders as well as the BJP has been constantly saying, that Swapna Suresh was met by the top police officials in the jail. Now Swapna Suresh herself in a statement to the magistrate has confirmed the same. This is a big breaking news where she has alleged that the police officials who met her told her categorically that she should not reveal key information and should not reveal the people who have been involved in a crime in which she is the main accused. She also said that the police officials has also told that she and her family will also be put in danger. Now she has said she needs protection, so she has requested, she has asked the court to grant her all the protection that she needs. Now what is important to note also is that it has been in the last 4 days, Swapna has been constantly giving statements to the magistrate, which means she has been it is an indication that she is an approver and she is spilling the beans. And in this situation, this particular letter holds of great importance because she has said very categorically that it is the people who are very influential who are behind this and that her life is in danger. So a big important twist in this whole gold smuggling case. It really what Republic TV has been constantly saying, that the government machinery is very much linked to the gold smuggling case, which we have been giving through various proofs.
Certainly her allegations now, in which she clearly says, Ashwin, that prison and police officials visited me and warned me against disclosure of names of persons in high authority suspected to be involved in criminal activities or alleged criminal activities, and warning her against cooperation in the probe. This is a sensational development that is taking place. Remember, the gold smuggling racket, along with some other scams that are now being unearthed in Kerala, are leading right up to the highest echelons of power. That is the Chief Minister's office. And now a key accused in judicial custody is claiming threat. We'll continue to track this very closely. Ashwin, thanks a lot for joining us for the meantime.